In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create forms in HubSpot and share a few extra tips to help you make the most out of the process. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to hubspot.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the page for the login button. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot home interface, your main workspace. Now, to start creating your form, navigate to the marketing section from the top navigation bar. HubSpot's interface is quite intuitive, so finding it should be easy. Click on marketing, and from the drop-down menu, select forms. This will take you to the forms dashboard, where you can create and manage all your HubSpot forms. Next, click the create form button. This is your starting point. Once you click it, you'll be guided through a few setup steps. HubSpot provides helpful on-screen prompts, so even if you're new, the process is very user-friendly. You'll see an option to choose a template. Click on Start from Template. Templates can save you a lot of time, especially if you want a ready-made structure to build from. HubSpot offers a variety of form templates designed for different purposes, such as lead generation, event registration, or contact collection. Take a moment to explore and pick the one that best fits your needs. After selecting a template, you can start customizing your form, update the titles, edit the fields, and adjust the design to match your brand. Remember, even small tweaks like adjusting field labels, colors, or call to action text can make a big difference in how your audience interacts with your form. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a form in HubSpot. By following these simple steps, you can build professional, effective forms that help capture leads and engage your visitors, all within minutes. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other HubSpot guides for more quick and actionable tips. Until next time, happy form building.